so hot here today. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're doing something a little different. We're playing with the DJI Mini3Pro with the Integra Goggles. They've been my favorite toys. But yeah, so some of us are having issues with connecting this 3 device with no FPV remote controller, but there is a way to do it. First, we want to connect your drone. Make sure you can see the image through your goggles. Then we want to turn off your goggles and make sure you can fly with your remote controller approximately of 6 foot or 8 foot. Make sure you can still connect it.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
You're still able to fly with the remote controller. Then turn on your Integra goggles and give it a minute, and then you should see the image and you can fly away. It will work just fine. And you probably should see a warning that it's not compatible, but it still works. It works just fine. And just make sure when you're about to turn on the device, it's around 6 foot to 8 foot. You don't want to go further than that, because otherwise the image will start flickering, or it will start getting stuck. Prior to my experience. Also, make sure your antenna is up. Once your antenna is up, you can see a better image and you can definitely see it from far away. And if this content was helpful, please like and subscribe to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and appreciate that. Alright, take care. Peace. Bye.